Here we go. Bigal is ready to go on the water again after weeks of beautification and preventive maintenance. Wow, look at him. Polyglow done, engine paint done, bottom paint done, and everything. He looks good. Bye, Big Al.
Stay with me if you want it. Stay with me if you want it.
Oh, we're ready to go.
Stay with me if you want it. Stay with me.
We're here in San Pedro Cabrillo ramp, boat ramp, and guess what we're doing? Big Al is gonna go in the water. Oh, it's a beautiful day today. See that? It's bright and sunny and hot, warm in Southern California. Gotta check. More, but yeah, just a little. Okay, that's it. I think more, sorry. Yeah. Oh, no, it's okay. Go check. Yeah, it's okay now. Yeah. That's good? Okay. There we go. Hi. Okay, we're out of the marina. Ramp area. Hold on, I will put my bumpers in, okay? We go on plane. Oh my god, yeah! Hi, we're on plane already. It was just like 3 seconds.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you.
It's from all stop.
To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Beautiful day. Southern California. That's why we're out. It's a beautiful life.
I've been feeling so small
Hi, Captain.
and off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it
Gonna get fuel.
go. Spend my coin for sure. It's just what I do.
So what's up today?
Gasoline. That'll
Gasoline.
probably be $2.75 or something. $275.
$175 only?
Yeah, it lasts us a while. But we don't
So
go out boozing, burning up gas. So $2.75 is no big deal to last us at least a month or more.
I'm gonna stop by.
You got it.
Okay, so let me see.
Slow. Where are we at right now?
Hi, Gabo.
Hi.
We are where are we? Here. It's 9 gallons. It's just 10. Oh, Big Al is getting some fuel. La 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 la.
I just wanna feel alive.
So how much the fuel go?
Wow, it's $3.90.
$3.94.
$390 for 73 gallons.
How
$5.35 per gallon.
Oh wow.
So we need the 75 gallons in the tank, but I put in 73, so it tells us we're low.
It's good. So you
It
want a
is.
boat?
You want a boat? You want to be the boss? You got to pay the cost.
Okay, I got it. Beautiful day. We're going back to our sleep
Got me
now.
hyper.
Hi, big
Like the
guy.
sun by the moon, he's a star, baby, I'm lighting up. Like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of
Perfect.
being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. I'm being
Okay.
honest.
Coming.
Do what we
Slow down, I'm
do.
gonna
Ain't
pull
no
you.
joke about love. He's the one that I die for.
Okay, that's it. Slow down.
Been so long, side by side, can't believe